Garlic mushrooms, the perfect 10-minute side dish that goes well with almost any meal. If you love mushrooms, you need these garlic mushrooms in your life. Look for mushrooms that are roughly the same size so that they will all cook in the same amount of time. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. These are sauteed with some generous amount of butter and chopped garlic. Melt about 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Two tablespoons of chopped garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally. Add 1 small chopped onion. Cut mushrooms into half. Add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Add some salt. Mix this well. Cover with a lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 2 chopped green chilies. One teaspoon red chili flakes. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. One teaspoon vinegar. Two teaspoon coriander leaves. Cover with a lid for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat once mushrooms are tender and golden brown. These delectable garlic mushrooms are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.